Hey everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. We are having fun with our Christmas theme, and we are doing this for 2 weeks before we go on winter break. Last week we had fun with our gingerbread theme, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check that out. So today I'm going to show you how our classroom is set up for our Christmas theme, and also how our children are interacting in each center, as well as some circle time snippets. On our writing table, we have assorted color sheets. I won't have them all out at once, but I just wanted to show you. We have our cookie color pages. This is from our gingerbread packet. And there is the tree and the bell that we will be using this week. And then we also have an assortment of outlines: Christmas tree, candy cane, angel, bell, stocking, and star. And these are freebies on my website. Our dramatic play area is pretty much the same that it was last week during our gingerbread theme. We still have the gingerbread bakery, and I'm going to keep it this way until we go on our winter break because the children are having so much fun with it. I did add a few more Christmas pieces to it, but basically it's the same thing. I just added some Christmas headbands and scarves and a few other little details. Oh, thank you. Are you putting them on the plates? The gingerbread man and the gingerbread girl.
She has a bow.
In our block area, we continue to have Christmas blocks and trees, and then you'll see our big Christmas tree that is over there. Our 3's teacher, because we share our classroom with her, they meet on alternate days as us. She brings in this tree every year, and then it is a child decorated tree. So that's why you see the beads a little bit, they're just kind of tossed on there a little bit. That's because this is their tree and they're the ones that are decorating it. And then there's a tray of ornaments down below. And then you'll also see that we have our gingerbread house. And last week, that gingerbread house was the highlight. So our class and the 3-year-olds, we painted it, and now they've cut the door out. And then we have some little gingerbread plush figures that they can put in and out of the gingerbread house. On our activity table, we have assorted activities that are from our gingerbread packet. And also there's a freebie. It's decorating a gingerbread house. And there's a favorite chunky Christmas puzzle that we love and use every year. I'll drop links to all of these in the video's description, and if they still have that puzzle, I'll put that link in there as well because we really love it. This week, we are going to be focusing on our Christmas gifts. So we have these wood ornaments that the children are going to paint, and then I'm going to take their picture in front of the Christmas tree that's in the hallway, and I'm going to insert it. I love doing a photo ornament each year as a keepsake. And then we have some bags. I really wanted the white ones, and I'm gonna go home and see if I still have a stash of them. But right now I have the brown handled bags. And these are going to be their gift bags that they're going to decorate. And also there's a paper mache star that the children are going to paint with glitter paint. I got these at Hobby Lobby for an incredible deal. So they're gonna add those to their gift bag too. So we are painting our ornaments. Now we're painting our bags. I couldn't find the white one, so we're going with the brown.
Hey, I saw you.
This group really loves to get into their paint. Really loves to get into it. On our light table, we have our candy construction set. Now this is actually for older preschoolers. So I will most likely be taking this away for my own 2 and 3-year-olds and probably putting green and red magnet tiles, which right now we have them over here. Oh yes, and we always bring something from another part of the classroom over. Got the cars going in here too. And in our sensory bin, I have stars. So these are paper mache stars that we have. And then I bought wood stars that fit right inside it. So they can scoop the rice into the stars, or they can place the wood stars into the paper mache stars. There's of course always scoops. And then I put some bug tongs in there as well, so that just another way for them to transfer the stars. At the Play-Doh table, these are Christmas counting mats, and I like to use them at the Play-Doh table because the children can roll the balls, they can count how many are on each one. We actually go to 10, so we can swap these out if we want. And this also can be a table activity where you can use pom-poms or buttons. It also can be a circle time activity if you lay them out, and then you give each of the children a pom-pom, and you can all together count all of the circles on each page. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I bought this Velcro Tree, I think it was 6 years ago, and I love it. It's on Amazon, and I've shared it on my Facebook page, and so I put it out every Christmas. I have it made a little area right next to our books, so that's something fun for them to do. And then during circle time, we are going to continue doing the gingerbread man because my 2 and 3-year-olds have had so much fun with it. So I will do that again. We will also do the 5 candy canes on the Christmas tree, and we're going to introduce the jingle bells this week. These are actually Velcro. They can strap them on their wrists if they want, but they usually like to hold them. And we'll be using those while singing jingle bells because we're going to be practicing for our cookies and carols, and our parents will come in the last 15 minutes of our class on our last day before winter break, and we're going to sing to them. So we're going to use those bells for that. But all of our circle time activities can also be found in a separate video, my Christmas circle time video. So again, this link and all the links are in this video's description. I hope that you will go check that out. Very gentle with them. Yes, you have really worked hard at learning how to hold your gingerbread men. Tap, gentle tap, 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 tap. And gentle tap your knee, tap, tap, tap. Now you're going to make it go up, 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 and down, 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 and make it run. And now hold them very, very quietly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise them up. And ran away crying, catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I run really fast because I'm the gingerbread man, the gingerbread man, the gingerbread man. I run really fast because I'm the gingerbread man. 1, 2, 3. Tree as hard as it could. And down came a candy cane. And it was good. saw 4 candy canes looking at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the candy cane. And it was good. 1 little, 2 little, 3 Christmas bells. 4 little, 5 little, 6 Christmas bells. 7 little, 8 little, 9 Christmas bells. 10 little. So that's our classroom for the Christmas theme. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds on YouTube and click that bell icon so that every time I publish a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. In our Christmas activities packet, we have these Christmas tree counting mats, and you can use these for Play-Doh. The children can either roll out the Play-Doh and they can make the number, or they can make little Play-Doh balls and they can count how many Christmas trees there are, and then they can put the little Play-Doh balls on top here. Another thing that I like to do is I like to use something like buttons, or you can use pom-poms, some type of small counter, and then they can count 1, 2, 3, 4, how many Christmas trees, and they're counting again as they're putting their counter on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also in our Christmas activities packet, we have these Christmas ornament cards, and I cut them apart. I have mine laminated, and what I like to do is then use pom-poms, and the children can then just match them up just like this, and just put the color, matching the colors up and counting at the same time. On our website, we have these free numbered bells, and I like to copy them onto cardstock just to make them a little bit more durable. They go up to 10, and then what you can do is you can put Velcro on the back, and you can use these you can use with a flannel board, or you can put a magnetic dot, self-adhesive magnetic dot on the back, and you can use this on a magnetic board. These can be used for when you're doing simple counting, or when you're singing a song that includes counting, a bell song that includes counting. You can also turn this into a matching activity where you make 2 sets, keep one intact like this, and then the children can just place the matching bell on top. Another free printable on the website are these counting strips, and there's 2 ways you can do it. You can make 2 copies, keep one intact, and you can separate the others so that then they can match it up. And this might be more suitable for younger children, so they're matching the number and they're also looking at the picture, just like that. And then for older children, you'll just take this sheet away, so you won't have this one, and then they will have to look at the numbers while they're also piecing the picture together, making sure that they go in order. We also have these free templates on the website. There's the star and the bell, and we also have an angel, a gingerbread man, a Christmas tree, a stocking, and a candy cane. And these are nice to use as templates for the art table. You can cut them out. You can either do it directly on this paper, or you can use this to trace onto something else. They can also be used as color sheets at the writing table, and also to paint at the easel. And here's another freebie that's on the website. These are alphabet ornaments. And I like to take the first letter of each child's name and cut it out and give it to them. And I actually copy this onto cardstock. And then they can use watercolors. I've done do-a-dots before, but they go ahead and they color it, and then I attach it to their gift bag with their ornaments in it that they're giving their families.